I know firsthand the needs of Native Hawaiians, the history of neglect, and the violations of sovereignty that occurred historically, and the consequences we see in the difficulties that so many young Native Hawaiians have in their own land. This is one of the things that always struck me growing up was the similarities between what was happening to so many Native Hawaiian youth and what was happening to African American youth, Native American youth on the mainland. When communities have been targeted for discrimination, when their history has been erased, it has a profound consequence on people. And we can't undo all that history, but certainly what we can do is to make sure that moving forward, we are acknowledging and respecting the cultures that were the original occupants of Hawaii. So